Through the pursuit of excellence in all that we do, the Delta companies are committed to meeting and exceeding our customers' needs by maintaining the highest standards of quality, expertise, and technical innovation. From precision gears at our Delta Gear facility to precision machining and assembly at our Delta Research facility and full-service contract inspection at our Delta Inspection Labs, we continue to create long-lasting partnerships between our dedicated workforce and our loyal customer base, and we strive to achieve the shared objectives of personal growth and professional success through teamwork and a shared culture that emphasizes uncompromising quality and on-time delivery.
When it comes to precision machining and difficult jobs, Delta Research really shines. We have the capabilities here in-house from everything from machining centers, 3, 4, 5-axis machines. We have Mitsui Seikis, Deckel Mahos, SIPs, cap gear grinders, Gleason Hobbers. Those types of machines are what allows us to create the masterpieces that we do for our customers. The old saying that we have, our slogan of old world craftsmen on the leading edge of technology, it's really true. We have an arsenal of technicians here who many have been here for 20, 30 years, just honing their talents, improving, but at the same time keeping up with leading edge technology of CNC machinery and high performance capable machines that we use on a daily basis. Delta Research is very family oriented. Started in 1952. Alex Sakuda started the company as a prototype engineering facility for General Motors. His son, Bob Sakuda, started here in the late 70s and has been, he was running machines at the beginning. Now he runs the company. And he runs all the companies as the president of Delta Gear and president of Delta Research. And as a matter of fact, Scott Sakuda, Bob's son, plays a major role at Delta Gear in operations, and I also am a son-in-law, so I'm part of the family as well. So this is definitely a family-run business, and will continue to be that for a long time.
We buy the best equipment because we know we have to, and we know our customer, their requirements are always changing to better their industry, and regardless of what industry we serve, our equipment allows us to be flexible, capable in all aspects of gear manufacturing and other forms of manufacturing. So we utilize very high-tech, very high-precision grinding equipment, whether it's faces, diameters, or very complex involutes and forms in gear geometry. We feel buying the best gives us the upper hand advantage to bring us into the future for tomorrow's application. The AS9100 portion of our business is that it's driven from all the aircraft companies, all of the manufacturing companies that rely on quality and service. Delta has had a long history of gearing and housing, and now the future is still evolving into what's next, and as far as its quality side to its metrology, to the act of knowing that you're right, to reducing the uncertainty of something.
ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning Systems, and that's an industry standard that's been around for a long time, and it's the metamorphosis of what started out as MRP and MRP2 systems, and actually is continuing to evolve. But nonetheless, Delta Gear has an ERP system, and it's very important to us. If AS9100 and other quality systems are the skeleton and spine of a company, which is a living entity, then an ERP system is the circulatory system or the nervous system that makes us aware of all of the actions and the reactions within the company. The ERP system, with having that visibility, having a customer focus, always trying to serve the customer, whether they're the next person on the floor of the machine or whether it's actually shipping to the customer and managing our deliveries and communicating to the whole organization. The point is to see and to learn and to grow. And I think a well-operated system means that we're always future-facing, always learning, always growing, always moving forward. And so at Delta, our commitment is to always learn more and more about ourselves and about our customers and use that system to help us attain that and look forward.
Delta Gear's engineering department has grown dramatically over the last couple of years. We've added people with backgrounds in aerospace process engineering, heavy emphasis on gear processing, and on product gear shaft bearing system design, so that we have depth in both the process engineering, the design engineering, and familiarity with the manufacturing processes themselves.
One of the real strengths of Delta Gear are the people that work here and experience. These people know quality, they know the equipment, and the pride and ownership that they have not only in the parts that we make, but in the equipment that we have. Mm-hmm. And I think that's reflected throughout the shop. When you look at the equipment in the work areas and things like that, that's the real pride and ownership aspect of the people that work here. Everyone that works in the shop understands the critical aspect of the processes that we run, and we run to very defined processes. Everyone understands the routing and the process sketches, and quality at every workstation and operation is paramount here, and the people understand that. They also work with engineering and quality for continuous improvement of the processes, and in our process we provide a method for the operators to provide feedback for changes and improvements that they see in operations or processes. One thing that we understand here is exotic materials and tight aircraft tolerances, that people understand what a 10,000th of an inch, what 50 millionths of an inch is, and we have the gauges and the experience. We have climate control. All those things work hand in hand to make sure that we meet the tight tolerance of the aerospace industry. Master gear manufacturing is one of the key things that we do here at Delta Gear, and it's really machining gears to a level where there's essentially no tolerance. And so quality, repeatability in the manufacturing process is paramount to that. And it also gives us the opportunity to provide quality inspection in our aerospace manufacturing, that those same master gears that we're making for other customers, we're also making them for parts that we have running in process, and we use that to certify quality in the parts that we make.
The object here is to, bring excellence to both companies in measuring things, have additional capabilities, and also to offer this as a service to other companies. American manufacturing now is, the mediocre players are all gone. The people that are left concentrate on excellence, and there's a demand for that.
We can do surface finish to some very low numbers. We can do down to half an RA English, which is a very, very small surface finish. To give you an example, a gauge block is 2 RA, so we can do 1/4 of that, which is very, very small. We have roundness machine. Check roundnesses to a millionth of an inch if we need to. We have unique abilities in our GMMs, our gear measuring machines, and our CMM.
The Delta family of companies look forward to expanding and developing our relationship with you and your company. So whether you're looking for precision gears, precision machining and assembly, or contract inspection services, the Delta companies have the capabilities and expertise to help. For more information, call 1-734-261-6400, and a representative will be happy to help you.